Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. So, big question here. Could Shibarium burn 500 billion SHIB? Big question mark. I mean, we don't have a time frame here, but this is why we're going to dive deep into it. And remember, burning is the most important thing right now for Shiba Inu. If the burning isn't right, then we are never going to be able to push the price up. We're never going to be able to achieve, these levels that are required. So let's do this. Now, Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that has gained prominence as a meme coin and has attained a place among the top 20 crypto currencies by market capitalization. The SHIB team has been consistent in its development effort and has undertaken several projects. The Shiba Inu network has gained recognition for achieving notable benchmarks and milestones. One such notable initiative is the burn mechanism. Shibarium is one of the most awaited launches, and it is expected to ramp up the burn game. Now, Shibarium's testnet PuppyNet was launched last month, exhibiting a moderate increase in the number of interacting wallet addresses. So could Shibarium witness a 500 billion SHIB burn? A prominent SHIB community member, SHIB PPP, has recently tweeted about some of the user's estimates for Shibarium. According to the user, Shibarium does not have the possibility to burn 500 billion SHIB per year. The user stated that the expectation is based on the current price of SHIB and a burn and the number of transactions in the last 30 days. Okay, so here we've got, I just ran new burn estimates for Shibarium. Shibarium will impress me if it can burn 500 billion per year. This is based on the current prices of burn and SHIB, as well as the number of transactions on the top L2 in the previous 30 days. Okay, active accounts, new accounts. Now, the possibility of these numbers being achievable is still in question, can depend on various factors. The burn rate, however, recently surged in the last 24 hours after a few days of slow burn rates. And data from Shibarium reveals that the burn rate has soared by 6,860% last 24 hours. 17.4 million SHIB has been sent to dead wallets during this period. And the exact effect of Shibarium on the burn game can only be evaluated after the launch of the much awaited Shibarium. So that is very, very true. I mean, we're going to have to wait because at the moment we don't have any clear answers. Guys, we are speculating. This is pure speculation. Let's be honest. Right now, if we are to base it on the beta version, that's not a very, very good indication because everything that happens on the beta is just 1% of what is going to happen on the final version. Many people are not using beta because this is just a testing format, so people are just not interested. That's it. The most kind of enthusiastic, the most active people are testing, and that is maybe the top 10%. But the rest, I mean, they are more interested in the real thing, the final version, okay, where there's the real utility. So that is why, I mean, I wouldn't really think that, basing it on some previous stats is a good indication. Once Shibarium comes out, there's going to be an explosion. There's an absolute queues waiting. And lots of people haven't even declared about their intentions, of building their projects on Shibarium yet. So believe me guys, the moment it comes out, you're going to see a dominoes effect. Some are going to start building, then the word's going to spread, it's going to start affecting others, they're going to start joining in, so it's all going to become like a massive dominoes effect. But at the moment, I think it's very, very small. 500 billion SHIB, guys, we were talking about trillions of SHIB being burnt every year before, okay? And according to some, 100 trillion could be burnt. I actually even made a video talking about it and highlighting the fact that some are pointing out that it could be over 100 trillion. Not, I wouldn't say Shibarium alone, because we shouldn't just depend on Shibarium. There are going to be other things that can contribute to it, but Shibarium should definitely be the leader in burning. But all the other stuff, even individual investors, their own initiative of just sending it to dead wallets is also great. And the more of us, millions and millions of investors, the more could be burnt. So as of now, I believe that this number, I think, is even lower in my projections. I believe there could be way more, and we are gonna have to burn a lot. 95% of the supply is gonna have to be burned if we want to achieve 1 cent. And there's a lot of burning to be done, okay? But if we have the right system, if in every single, transaction, every single movement, there is some burning, then it's gonna lead to great things. Look at, for example, Koya token as an example. Guys, Koya token, win-win situation. You're buying Koya token, you're also burning. So you're helping the SHIB ecosystem, and also you are investing into Koya token that's going to be exploding very soon. So that's like a win-win situation. I tell you, great things are going to be happening very soon. And I believe that you're going to have to pay attention to it, not sleep, understand that, the burns are going to be coming, but it's going to take, some time. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not like we're going to be able to burn all the supply overnight. But hopefully we could replicate 2021. Okay, that was a great year. People made millions. They understood it's possible. They understood how it's done. Okay, we know exactly what needs to happen. It's not like magically you just wake up and for no reason it's going to be hyping up. So let's get it rolling. Let's get it done, guys. Let's encourage positive vibes. Let's spread the word. Let's increase and push demand up. I mean, you from the other side, maybe from developers' side, you can't really contribute much, can you? But if you are optimistic, if you are encouraging, if you go in with warm feelings, that's gonna spread, and that's gonna get them more motivated. Also, you can spread the word of Shiba Inu, Shibarium, get people joining the community. The more of us, the better. That's how cryptos work, guys. If there were no investors, this thing would be collapsed and there'd be no point to work on it. But developers do understand, there's millions, and if there's even more people, they're going to be under even more, responsibility to get this working as quickly as possible and to make it happen, to create the best thing they can. So, guys, the future of Shiba Inu is in your hands. And we are very close to seeing that final piece of Shibarium, the greatness that is going to lead us to other greatness. And I want you to be part of this journey. Remember, it's very important that you subscribe, that you hit that notifications bell, okay? Because YouTube isn't going to be showing these videos if you're just subscribed. They need the notifications bell. That's where you're going to have it in the feed. And imagine, I got so much exclusive information coming out. You're just missing out. And that information is going to help you make the right investments, create the right plans. That is how we are going to succeed together as the community. So never ever underestimate information, and especially information from individual content creators like myself that are trying to be as independent as possible. I'm trying to really give you all the different opinions out there, guys. Sometimes I make videos on forums, sometimes on news articles. Everything is here. This is why your notifications bell needs to be on. Also follow us on Twitter, okay? We're there, guys, also posting. And don't forget to engage, talk. Do you think Shibarium could burn 500 billion SHIB? So, I mean, according to this article, it's not possible, but I don't even think this is a big number. I think it's very achievable. So let us know down below in the comment section. And as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.